Come on, so close. Let's do it. Finish it off. That's easy. No worries. Now this one's simple. Boom, boom. It's not that simple, but there's not a lot of moves that are actually candidates. Pawn is pinned. Take. I'm going to take back. I win his queen. But he wins. Doesn't matter. Let's do it. We take. This is a look at that. Boom. And now it's a check, and we're winning material. 3 to go. Knight. Take. We're setting up a pin, so we win the bishop. Almost there. So this one is we take with this guy first. Doom. We take with the knight, and if he tries to come in with me, we go into him, and look at that. 2 left! Bishop e6. 1 mover. Last one. I've got this one memorized. Ready? Boom. 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 Under 2 hours! Yes, sir! So I'm pretty happy. So that was 1 hour, 56 minutes, and 35 seconds, 98 accuracy the entire time, 22...